In this video, we will learn how you can automatically add invoice details from QuickBooks Online in MS Excel. Now, let's say you run a business and you use QuickBooks Online for invoice management and accounting solution purpose. Now, you want every time a new invoice is created in QuickBooks Online, its details should be added in MS Excel. So, we are going to automate this entire process using Pabbly Connect. Come to my screen to see how we do this. To automatically add invoice details of QuickBooks Online in an Excel sheet, let us first go to Pabbly's website. You can see the landing page of Pabbly. On the top right, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you sign up free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name. So we are going to write QuickBooks Online to MS Excel. Create. Now you will see two windows, Trigger and Action. Trigger is when this happens, action says do this. So our entire automation process would be based on these two steps, trigger and action. Let us understand this with the help of an example. A trigger can be when a purchase is made, and action can be send a confirmation message to a customer. In our case, a trigger can be when an invoice is created in QuickBooks Online, the action can be add the invoice details in an Excel sheet. So let us begin and select QuickBooks Online as a trigger application. For the trigger event, we will select New Invoice. It triggers when you add a new invoice. Connect, add a new connection, connect with QuickBooks Online. Okay, it's processing. It says authorization successful. Why? Because I was already connected, I was already logged into my QuickBooks Online account, and therefore I did not have to give my credentials. Now I will take you to my QuickBooks. This is the dashboard of my QuickBooks account. Now I'll show you my invoices. These are few invoices that I have in my account. So what will happen is when I press save and send test request, Pabbly is going to capture the most recent invoice, that is this invoice. Let us see. Let us save and send test request. And you will see we have captured the details. You can see document number, that is invoice number is 1002. So I'll show you. Yes, it is 1002. Like you can see here, the customer's name is King's Groceries. I'll show you here. The customer's name is King's Groceries. The customer's address, the billing address is there. And then the product that the customer bought was stable. Here, if we'll scroll down, you will be able to see other details as well. That is, the due date is here. So you will see this date on which the invoice was created. I'll take you to my QuickBooks and you will see the invoice date that is 3rd September. Then the due date is 10th September. Total amount is 25. Like you can see here, the date, issue date is here. Then the amount is here and so on. So this means we have successfully connected QuickBooks Online with Pabbly Connect. Now on to our next step, that is action step. So here we will select Microsoft Excel as our action application. For the action event, we will select add row to worksheet. Now let us connect, add new connection and connect with Microsoft Excel. Okay, here also I did not have to give my credentials. Why? Because I was already logged into my Microsoft account and it says authorization successful. Okay, it's processing. Now it says connected and you will see here the workbooks that I've created in my Microsoft account. So I'm going to select the workbook in which I want to add these invoice details. So I will select QuickBooks. I'll show you my workbook here. This is my workbook with the name QuickBooks. What I want is invoice number, the customer name, customer address, the product or the service that the customer purchased, the billing amount, create date as well as the due date. So I want every time an invoice is created in QuickBooks Online here, these details should be added, the invoice details should be added here in Microsoft Excel in this sheet. And therefore I selected QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Workbook. Okay. Now we will have to give in a few details, like column A is invoice number. So let us map it. We will click on QuickBooks here, and instead of scrolling, we will simply search with doc, and here is the number, invoice number. Like you can see here, the invoice number 1002. Okay, so you must be thinking, where exactly are we getting these details from? So I'll take you to step 1, where we connected QuickBooks Online with Pabbly, and Pabbly captured the most recent response, that is of this invoice. So Pabbly brought exactly same details here in the next step, and that's how we mapped in. Now on column B, that is customer name. So let us select customer name, that is King's Groceries. I'll show you here, it's King's Groceries. Here as well, I will show you. You can see here King's Groceries. So Pabbly is bringing exactly same details here so that we can map easily. Now customer address, for that again we will map it from QuickBooks Online and search like this. Okay, 123 Main Street. Give a space and we will take full address. So we are going to take this Mountain View, C, California, USA. Again I'll give a space and then map the state, that is USA. All right. Now it asks in the column D for product and service. So let us write line, and you will scroll down and you will see the line detail item, the thing that customer ordered or purchased, the product that the customer purchased table. So we are going to map it that. Now amount. So again we are going to search like this, line amount. Okay. Now for the create date, again we'll take it from here. You can see here the create date is there, that is 3rd September. Now we will take the due date. So again we will search like this, that is 3rd October. Here is the due date. So I would like to tell you an important thing about mapping. The fields you can see here, the fields that we have mapped in, the invoice number, customer name, address, product, service, and so on, these details. So what will happen from next time, they will automatically be updated. So let's say a new invoice is created in your QuickBooks account here, QuickBooks Online account here. So next time when Pabbly captures the response, these fields, invoice number, customer address, customer name, product, service, these fields will automatically be updated and you will not have to manually do it. So now I think we have filled all these details. Now let us just click on save and send test request. All right, here you can see we have received the response. The invoice number is here, customer name is here in this order. The details will be, the address is here and so on. So now let me take you to my Excel sheet and see if we have actually, if a row has actually been added there with these details. And you can see here, this is the invoice number, customer name, customer address, product, amount, create date, and due date. So this means we have successfully integrated our Microsoft Excel and QuickBooks Online using Pabbly Connect. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For further queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com, and you can also check our pricing details at www.pabbly.com.